guys, it's your girl Shirley, aka Apple. Sorry for that intro. So my brother, literally right when I pressed 1, my brother was like, "Who wants a big Billy?" It was so funny. So yeah, that intro wasn't really good, but it's okay. I'm back with another video. Sorry I didn't record yesterday. I tried my best, but when I came home from school, which was like 4, I was just so tired. So yeah. Pudding with applesauce. What the heck? As you guys know, Katie Boss 2005. That's cool. Oh well, we're not for these anymore, I guess. She has a boyfriend? I'm just kidding, it's her 40. Aw, that's so cute. I shipped Katie Boss in 2005. I was gonna kind of avoiding her anyways, but and be her best friend, but that's she got packed. I'm so sorry. So sorry you got packed. But anywho, what should we do today, you guys? Oh, I've been saving this, okay? I can't wait to freaking collect all of this once I get higher. So we're gonna go to Harborelle actually because we need to auto each other. I auto Harborelle. I can take this off now. Okay. Sorry, that was my phone. Somebody sent me such. Oh, Carmen did. So weird people. These weirdos from school, they found out my YouTube channel. I'm kind of embarrassed, of course. Like, you know, this was yesterday. So yeah, of course I'm embarrassed, but I can't do anything about it. So yeah, and that's not gonna make me stop recording. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not selfish like that. So yeah, this outfit, by the way, that this girl is wearing is so freaking cute. Why did I spell Harborelle like that? I don't even know. Again, super duper apologies for not freaking recording it today. I really hope you guys forgive me. I really hope you guys forgive me. Oh no, I have 4 days left. Oh no. Let's see. I'm so close to 10,000 star coins, you guys. So yeah, I've been giving them like back-to-back autographs, honestly. And I can't go on Fame Booster, so sad. Like, back-to-back. No, I don't like doing 4Ds. Let's see. I love you so much, baby. I'm so hyper. Oh, who's her baby? Bravo. Bravo. Oh! What? No way. Oh, what? Okay, so basically, we all went into a chat room, and that was the ball, and it was like 11 o'clock in the morning. So then, like, we all just started talking on MSP in that chat room, and like, kind of became like really close. And what? They started dating? I didn't know they liked each other. Oh my god, that's crazy. By the way, I'm not gonna date on this game. They're wearing the exact same outfit. That's freaking hilarious. I don't know. Did they plan that? Let's be friends. But there's a pet, you know, I always like it. Because, you know, why not? Look. Oh, wow. I need only 26. No, not even 26. 27 more freaking VIP friends. So I'm about to VIP people. I need VIP friends. Like, quick. He's not that cute looking, but I gotta friend him because he's VIP. Well, I got it her way. Oh well. I don't want to friend her. She might get mad. I'm not gonna friend her because she might get mad that I went in front of her. My bad. Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna go. By the way, his outfit's freaking slaying. K-pop music! Oh my god! How did I not see that? I totally forgot. It's the new theme on Thursday. Holy crap, it's Friday. By the way, happy Friday, you guys. How's you guys' life? My life as well. Shit, we do go to Harbor Row. Oh. Oh my god, his outfit's cute. I would wear this. Like, even as a girl, I would wear this. I would wear that as a girl. That outfit. Like, it's cute. This is so freaking Korean. This is Korean. This, oh my gosh. Suga wore this. Okay, let's make an outfit for next week. We always, oh, my poor beautiful outfit. I worked so hard. I want this. This looks freaking cute. I want it pink though. I like pinky, guys. But I kind of want it yellow because it looks so bougie. It looks so bougie. It looks so bougie. Is it this color? Wait, hold on. What color is that? Is it this one? Oh. Oh, that's, I don't know. Let's just make it this color. Yeah. And then let's be basic and buy this one that goes along with it. Just kidding. I don't know. My nose is plugged, by the way. So sad. Actually, this is cute with it. Ooh, yeah. Yeah! Let's see what color. Gucci. What color? Oh, is that gray? Oh, it's gray. Is it gray? Is it? I don't know. You guys. Oh, I think it's this color. Okay, we'll just make it gray. Oh, I don't know. I think if I do an animation, it'll look cute. So let's just go look for hair because we haven't been buying hair lately. Oh, that's. I don't know what's wrong with MSP lately. Like lately, they've been doing this type of hair, like where the hair looks like that. Like it's a new design hair. Yes, I'm kind of cuckoo. This is cute. No, actually not really. I don't know. I still like my outfits on. I don't know if I want to buy a new one. Probably buy a new one tomorrow. Anyway, I really want to collect this, babe. Oh, so close. Oh, so close. By the way, you guys should definitely go watch my, go like my new art book. I worked really hard on it and it got no likes because I'm really gay. So yeah, go like it, please. I worked so hard on it. Like, look how cute this is. So in order to win, you must. Oh shit. Okay. In order to win, you must like this art book. Give me an auto and comment which outfit you want to win. Please don't text me. I will. Oh well. Will announce the first winner at 500 likes. Second winner would be at 700 likes. Make sure to share. Just go like it because, yeah. I don't even have 700 subscribers. You guys, if you guys give it to 700 subscribers, I'll be so happy. I'll be so happy. And lately, I don't know, my views is just, I feel like my views haven't been so good lately. Maybe because people don't like me. Maybe because people don't like what I show. Well, I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I'm not the best video person ever. Actually, we twin on this outfit already. She just changed the color. That's all. Katie Lost. I'm gonna text her later. Uh, yeah. So, lately, sadly, sadly, my videos haven't been getting a lot of views. And obviously I would keep uploading. It's just that it sucks to see me upload where nobody wants to watch it. So it's probably because, I can't have good thumbnail. Well, I'm really sorry about that because I can't really do that yet. I'm still saving up to buy myself a laptop. And yeah. So once I buy myself a laptop, a lot better videos are going to be coming out. So look forward to that. Actually, why we're going to Cool Store. So yeah, go like my Artie. You guys could win a free outfit. Yes. Yes. What should we do? You see, I don't even know what to record anymore. How much time could be? Okay, we're like at Annapolis. We're going to Harborelle. Yay. Crap, she's lagging. She's lagging. She's always lagging. Okay, I'll be back when she stops. Okay, she's not lagging no more. I have 4 days left on this account, you guys. What should I do? Poor Harperell. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna end the video here because everything's just really lagging right now. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. So yeah, see y'all.